Big weather story today going to be those winds over to our west around the foothills where that high pressure, that pressure gradient tightening up. We got the gap flow wind, so a wind advisory in effect through Thursday morning for the Beartooth foothills, Livingston area, also down to Nye, Harlingen down to Big Timber, up and down I-90, the corridor there where those very strong winds could see gusts up to 60 miles an hour, if not more. Sustained winds out of the southwest, 30 to 40 miles an hour. So if you drive a high profile vehicle in those areas, you might want to delay travel or find another route. And what is a high profile vehicle, by the way? Well, it's pickup trucks, SUVs, RVs, box trucks like semis, big rigs. Also, if you are pulling a trailer, it could fishtail on you. So just be mindful of that through tomorrow morning around those areas. It's going to be very, very windy, making travel difficult. Warmer today. Now across the region, we're looking at 40s and 50s in our area. We're going to see a lot more 50s coming into play, some 60s tomorrow. And then we see some changes as we head into the weekend. We have a split trough coming through. It's going to have some moisture attached to it. So Friday night, we start to see the rain and the snow move in. By Saturday morning, could be all snow across the area. How much snow we're looking at? Well, the mountains, the Beartooth and the Absarokas could pick up maybe 5 to 10 inches of snow. The Bighorns up to 6 inches. Foothills in the area could possibly pick up a couple of inches. Here in the lower elevations, maybe some light accumulation on the grassy areas. Here in Billings on Saturday morning, maybe a quarter of an inch of snowfall.